Okay, so what we got here is we got a rusty area here. This is the sump pump overflowed, and replaced a lot of the drywall down there, and cut that out, cut out the boards on the floor. Now we're going to cut this out. I'll show you how good this little tool works here. Not much, 20 bucks, something like that at the Harbor Freight, with around vibrating that. Just wanted to show you that so you can cut this right out of here with that tool. Pull that right out, replace it with plastic, whatever. We won't have any more moisture problems ever again. My plan is to put durarock down here along the bottom. If this is moldy back there, I'll cut that back out again. But I got this other part established already, so I'm not losing the whole wall. And that's it. Thank you very much.